Hello guys, I'm Fizan here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can see the tags of other YouTubers used in their video. So all you need to do is download Chrome. Well, you already have, so just go to the extension tab, and here it is. You can go from tools and then go to extensions and scroll down and then click on get more extensions. Then search for TubeBuddy for YouTube, and then search for it. And as you can see, the first one we need to install this. So click here and add to Chrome and add extension, and it's added. As you can see, TubeBuddy is added to Chrome. And now all you have to do is just go to YouTube. Let me show how to do this, how to see the other people's tags. So go to YouTube and search for any video. Like let me search for NCS, and as you can see, let me click on this video. Here, as you can see on the right, you can see all the information about this video and this channel, and here are all the tags they used. So this is all the information about this channel and this video, and you can copy all the tags from here. As you can see, copy to clipboard, and it will give you tag suggestion when you upload a video. So go to dashboard, and here the video, as you can see, it show me the suggestions for my tags. So you can find it from here and add it to your video. So TubeBuddy is a very useful tool for YouTube. It will help you to do more things. It have lots of features, so you can install it like this. And that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys like it. If you like it, subscribe.